Welcome. Today we're diving into a brand new update on X, formerly known as Twitter, that gives you more control over how the platform personalizes your experience based on your location. If you've ever wanted to tailor your feed and ads according to the places you've been, this quick guide will show you exactly how to do it on your PC. First, open x.com on your web browser and sign into your account. Once you're in, look toward the left side of your screen where the main menu is. You'll see several options listed there. Click on the one that says More. This will open up a drop-down menu with a few additional settings. Next, choose Settings and Privacy. This is where all your main account preferences live. From here, go ahead and click on Privacy and Safety. This section deals with the controls that determine what information X can use to personalize your experience. Now find and select Location Information. This is a very important category because it controls how X uses your location to improve recommendations, ads, and your overall experience on the platform. Inside the Location Information page, you'll see an option called Personalize based on places you've been. Make sure this box is checked if you want to enable this feature. By turning this on, X will use your location history to make suggestions that are more relevant to where you go, like trending topics, nearby events, or local updates. It's designed to make your experience a bit more personal and connected to your everyday life. That's it. You've now allowed X to personalize your content based on the places you visited. If at any point you change your mind, just uncheck the same box, and the feature will turn off instantly. Changes like this help you stay in control of your privacy while still getting a more tailored and meaningful experience on the platform. Make sure to hit that like button if this guide helped you out, and stay tuned for more updates and tips like this one. Thanks for watching.